Hi, I'm John Black. I am the quality manager, regulatory guy, and IT person here at Donson Machine. We've been working with 2W since I got involved here at Donson. Having all of our eggs in the 2W basket works nicely because everything gets integrated then. The network stuff, the cybersecurity, obviously, the Epicor, everything's kept in the same realm. So there's no conflicts with different people managing different parts of the organization. I'm not a fan of that in any way, and with 2W I don't have to worry about that because it's the one stop. I drop a ticket in and whatever the issue is, it gets addressed. The managed services handle what I call the heavy lifting. So if it's something they've shown me how to do or it's a quick fix, I'll take care of those myself. When we get into things like the firewall, I'd much prefer to trust the 2W tech guys. Whether if it's an emergency, they get on it right away. If it's something where I don't need them to drop what they're doing, they understand that, and they always get it resolved. There's always a resolution. The whole experience has been very consistent. Your whole team works together. The minute there's a question, I know that the techs today will reach out to the techs who handled us before and say, listen, you know Donson's system, what's going on here? And so it's been a very seamless transition over the years. Everybody's personable, great personalities. If they get me on the phone, it's like we're old college buddies most of the time. We're just shooting the breeze and talking about the problem. And I've not had a negative experience with anybody from 2W. We also switched to 2W as our Epicor partner. We liked the philosophy of the organization and moved into them for that support, as well as we upgraded to a new version of Epicor. And that knowledge base and tech help has been unquestionably good. The consultant we had been using, we just didn't like their approach to the transition. So that's why we reached out to 2W, and it's been good ever since. We recently started working with the cybersecurity tech team and just kind of upgrading all of our behind-the-scenes Microsoft security settings. We've been able to raise our score from, I think, sub 50 to more recently we just pushed over the 75% range with the Microsoft Defender score, which I'm told is kind of unheard of. Most companies are hovering in the 50 to 60 range. So the team at 2W has really gotten us square with the cybersecurity without a whole lot of impingements on function. We've really seen no hiccups with what's been put in place. Working with 2W has been painless. 2W's costing, services, integrity. They've never given me a reason to question anything as far as being above board. They've just been a really helpful team, really responsive.